Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so this video, guys, I decided to put the new Kobalt up against the Ridgid Octane. We'll see if this can keep up with this, because we all know this claims a lot of high numbers, which we all know aren't true. So stick around here, you're not going to want to miss this one. Hit that intro. We're going to switch it up a little bit, guys. What we're going to do is the speed bore test. Now, I know a lot of people say that's not what impact drivers are meant for, but I don't care. It's something a little bit different. I get sick of just drilling in screws. So this is a 3/4 inch Irwin speed bore bit. We're going to do 5 holes. We're going to do 5 holes, and whichever drill can do it the fastest is the wiener. On high, fully charged up. Ready, get set, go. Wow. Time. That is fast. We're on speed 3, see? All right. Fully charged up battery. Here we go. 6 holes with the Ridgid. On your marks. Get set, go. That's time. There's definitely a little bit of call it wobble on the Ridgid. Watch. See that? Let's check the old Kobalt. Like butter. Hardly any way less movement. The Ridgid's just flipping and flopping everywhere. Look at that. Next test, we got 5 3-inch, these are the smaller timber locks, still full bars on high. So just like last time, we'll take 1 second off in between just because you fumble. Like, this is the worst bit on the market, I swear. We'll do the Kobalt first. Ready, get set, go. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, Ridgid still fully charged up. Got the Octane. See, this one also has a row of the 21700 cells. So forgive the wind, guys, it's very windy out here. Ready, get set, go. Time. That's pretty close. I feel like maybe this does a little bit better on drilling in screws than drilling holes. All right, guys, we have the 6-inch Timberlock screws. We're gonna do 2 rounds, one with this in my left, one with this in my right. And somebody brought up a good comment. They said, why don't you use new Timberlock screws for every head-to-head? It's like, these do cost a couple dollars a piece. That's why. The only thing I'm doing is taking the paint off of them. So actually, without the paint, you'd think they'd be a little bit faster. Doesn't really matter. Both got full juice. Well, all right. Here we go, boys and girls. Are you ready? Place your bets. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, pretty close, pretty close. On your marks, get set, go. Kobalt definitely got that one. Let's see how loud the Ridgid is. Ready, go. All right, so max recorded is 109 decibels, 0.9. All right, let's clear it out, and now let's do the Kobalt. right, set it on max. Ready, set, go. A little bit quieter, 107.2. I mean, probably 2 decibels, but who knows, right? Not bad, guys, not bad. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you liked the little comparison of the 24-volt XTR, I keep wanting to say XRT, XTR Kobalt versus the Ridgid Octane 6-speed. Both of these, the speeds here, I'll read them off real quick. Ridgid first gear is 0 to 750, where this one is 0 to 1950, so it's significantly faster. Second gear, 0 to 2200. This one, second gear, 0 to 2600, so again, faster. And then the third gear, high gear, is 0 to 3000, and this is 3400. Has to beat by 400 RPMs. Impacts per minute, 4,000, 3,900. So only 100 less for the Ridgid, which, I mean, they're pretty close. I mean, this one beat it, you know, you saw the test. I feel like this is closer than the Milwaukee for sure. What else was I gonna say? Oh, this battery, guys, is a freaking monster. This is the biggest battery I feel like on the market. It's about the same height as the Ridgid, but it's way fatter. I mean, look at that. That's just crazy. It's taller, wider, and I'd say the same length. And there's 5 cells in here, and there's 6 in here. I don't know, guys. I feel like this is just a big, ugly battery. Even the Ryobi's battery is smaller than this. They're slim pack with the 21700 cells in it. I don't know. The Milwaukee slim pack is actually really small. So, there you go, guys. I mean, I really saved that much. So this is the 4 and this is the new 4. I mean, a smidgen. It's definitely longer and wider on all fronts. And it's slightly shorter. Should we weigh them real quick? All right, new, 1 pound 9 ounces. Old, 1 pound 11 ounces. So it's 2 ounces lighter, but it's freaking humongous. So I don't know. The fact that this doesn't fit in the fan, like I said in my last video, really bugs me. It's just, it's humongous. They could have shrunk it down a little bit more, I feel like. They don't have to have the screws sticking on the side. They could have put it in the bottom, like in everything else. I don't know. That's just my opinion, guys. Let me know how you feel about this freaking battery. It is pretty big. Appreciate you guys watching. Stick around. Got lots of good stuff coming up, guys. Let me know what you want to see next. Hit that like button, subscribe, share it, put it in your playlist. Guys, until the next time, stay safe. Don't let Rona get you. Have a blessed day. See ya.